7 ways to make someone feel love for you. Number 1. Support him. Supporting your lover is an important aspect of a relationship. If you know he has certain passions in life, give him encouragement. Be his cheerleader, motivate him to pursue his passions and goals in life. You can also show emotional support when he's open, like listening actively and acting as his anchor. Number 2. Give him space. All relationships require space from time to time to continue building on the intimacy and the bond that you share. Give him the freedom to be with himself, family, friends, or even his teammates at work. I'm sure he'll feel seen, heard, supported, and loved. Number 3. Show him he is a priority. Time is the most valuable asset we can give to someone because we can't get it back after we spend it. So use it wisely in your relationship. Make someone feel loved simply by showing him he is your top priority.